The excerpt from Mañana that I would be using would be these two paragraphs. I would be using them as examples of figurative language, and the TEK that best relates to this would be grade 3D. Describe how the author's use of imagery, literal and figurative language such as simile, and sound devices such as onomatopoeia achieve specific purposes. So in the first paragraph, it says, Vuelo, why is Papa so serious? He always thinks the worst is going to happen. Your Papa was once quite light-hearted, said Vuelo, but now he wears his worries and fears like a cloak. The grown-up world robbed him of a bit of spirit, and he lost his belief in happy endings. So here you have an example of a simile where it shows he wears his worries and fears like a cloak. So this would be a good example of a simile. I would highlight that there. And then you also have an example here of a personification, which would be the world robbed him of his spirit. So you got a great example there as well. On the second paragraph, this is an example of, has an example of a simile as well. Let me read it. They ran up and slid down the hill a dozen times, shoving and splashing each other before finally climbing onto a large flat rock. They stretched out their stomachs like basking lizards. So here is another example of a simile, which again I would highlight and show as an example to the class. These would be great examples to show to the students when talking to them about figurative language. I could have the students either go into the text and find one themselves, or I can have them practice and write a couple examples of a simile or personification.